Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this super quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can sync your Google Calendar directly with Vacation Tracker so you can get a view of who's away and when right inside of your own personal calendar. To get started, as usual, you're going to want to make sure that you're logged into your own Vacation Tracker account. From here, you're going to navigate to the left-hand menu and then click on Calendar. And then you're going to click on the Sync with your Calendar button. Next, you're going to hover over the Connect Calendar button to see the three options available to you. In this case, since we're syncing directly with Google Calendar, we're going to click on the Google Calendar option. Next, we'll need to ensure that our Google Calendar is connected and ensure that the permissions are given to Google so Vacation Tracker can access it and make changes. Once you click Allow, you'll then be brought to this page where you can configure the filters. If you want to filter by location, departments, or labels, you have the option to do so and then selecting the appropriate secondary filter. Or if you leave this blank, then that means all information will be passed along to your Google Calendar. Afterwards, once you decide on the filters, you'll need to select which calendar is going to get the information and whether or not you want to push public holidays to the calendar as well. Once you're happy with all the settings, you're going to click on Create Calendar Sync. And now a sync between Vacation Tracker and Google Calendar has been created. So now the next time you open up your Google Calendar, the information from Vacation Tracker should have already populated the calendar we chose during the syncing process. And if you find the information is too overwhelming, you can always choose to toggle on and off the calendar whenever you need it. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about calendar syncing and the different methods available to you, then feel free to check out our Help Desk Center, which has tons of articles covering this subject in much more depth. And if you run into any issues whatsoever when setting up your own Google Calendar sync, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.